Playing Checkit games. Checkit games are a great way to avoid having to do all those exercises, because you can play a game and practice different operations, different ways of combining numbers to get the results.
But it could be multiplication or division or subtraction, and it could be working with fractions, or you can have powers of numbers. There's lots of different entries we can put into these boxes.
And what you do is, we've got 3 ovals. In those ovals you combine what's in there and there to get that result. You combine what's in there and there to get that result, and what's in there and there to get that result. And in this case, we're using addition. Super simple.
This is the simplest of them all. So now I'm just going to pause for a minute, and you can think, remember, you've got to combine that and that. What would you put here? Well, you all know that 7 and 5 is 12, so you would put 12 here. All right. So what would you put here? You know, when you add 5 to it, you're going to get 20. So what would you put there? 5 plus something is 20. Well, one way to think of it is that you have to subtract 5 from the 20 and 15. 15 and 5 is 20.
And you can also count on, depending where you are in your journey, you can count on from 5 till you get to 20 and find out how many it is.
And 15 and 7, well, 15 and 5 was 20, and 7 is 2 more. So what's going to go there? 15 and 7.
I like the fact that you're comparing it with that and seeing how many more that is than that to get a quick shortcut to the answer.
It's a bit more than 20, it's 22. Now, if you want something a lot more challenging, let's have a look at this one. Now, I suggest that you stop the video now and you work out the answers to this. So perhaps this is the first box to do. Notice that that's one more than that. 9,999 plus 1 will give you 10,000. Right, take this 1 from here and add it onto there, and you've got 10,000. And I've still got to add 1 more 1,000 and 110. So 10,000 plus 1 more 1,000 is 11,000. So this number is 11,110. All right, now we have to add what's in these 2 boxes to make that. This is just one more would make it 10,000. So if we've got 10,000 here and add it to that, we only need 12,000 and something. So 12,000 and 10,000 will make 22,000. Now you want this 222, but remember that this isn't 10,000, it's 9,999. So this is 223, so that these 2 add up to that one. I mean, the 9 and 3 will give you the 12 with 1 to carry, and then the 10 and 2 will give you 12, and so on.
So you're double checking it afterwards. Great.
Well, yes, just checking the last digit there. Now this is much easier, because all you've got to do is to add 1 to the thousands, hundreds and tens and units digit. So we need to add 1 to this 2, 2, 2, 3. So it becomes 1, 3, 3, 3, 4. letters.
Hope you enjoyed that. That is how to play the Checkit games. Check out the link and play all kinds of versions of Checkit games. Make your own puzzles to challenge your friends and classmates.